Okay, so don't know whether this is even going to be audible because there's quite a fair bit of wind up here. But anyway, it is a gorgeous sunny Sunday afternoon in November in Malta. Wish I'd filmed, actually, to be honest with you, the walk up from the beach down there at I Interfere. Having said that, I did kind of need two hands in places to actually clamber up some of the rocks. It's a very, very steep uphill climb. It's my family over there. The girls, me, some paragliders, whatever they're called, over there in the distance. And to be absolutely honest, I'm not sure, I've said this before, I'm not sure I can really capture the beauty of this place on a mere iPhone. The scene, to be honest, the scenery, as you're coming up, the scenery is absolutely spectacular. I will try and film another video where I try and capture that. But anyway, here you go. Just a little bit what we do on a Sunday in the autumn when swimming season is over. And there are still swimmers, actually. Having said that, here we are in our, it's quite funny actually, we're in our boots and jeans today, and yet we have actually walked past bare-chested people on their way back to their cars in their swimming trunks and swimming costumes. And in fact, I don't know if you can see that, there are people in the sea. People on the beach and people in the sea. So there you go. That's the Radisson Golden Bay in the distance there. And actually over that way, an area where we often go hiking in the winter, which is in fact the scene of many of my pictures. Absolutely spectacular part of Malta, it really is. Right, I'm going to stop talking.